Are you a discrete manufacturing company dedicating 60% to 70% of the total spend for procurement of materials and services? Have you implemented digital transformation to accelerate innovation and reduce procurement costs for discrete manufacturing? A strategic sourcing solution for discrete manufacturing can help improve business processes and possess a competitive edge in the market. Here are a few. Risk management. Increased transparency throughout the supplier management process to mitigate supply risks and ambiguities. Cost reduction. Automation, spend analytics and contract management allow companies to reduce maverick spend, operational errors and other related costs. Supplier relationship and co-innovation. Allows companies to pick the most suitable supplier and establish partnerships and joint innovations. Category strategies. A category sourcing strategy for discrete manufacturing provides deeper insights on the current cost and spend patterns for the future product roadmap of the company. Faster time to market. Real-time monitoring and track changes in BOM can speed up the new product introduction cycle of procurement in discrete manufacturing. To achieve digital procurement, make your S2C, source to contract, process predictive with real-time analytics. Automate your P2P, procure to pay, process to speed up the transactional aspects of procurement and make SRM, supplier relationship management, strategic to optimize procurement operations. If you are looking for a discrete manufacturing procurement software for your company, contact us.